I'm Jo, and I decided to foster for many reasons, but the main one was because when I was younger, my best friend was in foster care. She would always come around to our house, but one day I went around to hers to see if she wanted to play, and her foster parents said she'd left. I never saw her again. That memory stayed with me for life. By the time my own children had started school, I felt like I was ready. I did my research with the local authority and other organisations, but my local authority fostering team in Bridgend stood out for me. They are so supportive. It really is all about community and becoming part of a wide and supportive group of foster carers. For the first 3 years, I fostered babies until my son was a little bit older. I don't know why, but I was worried about caring for older children. Now, I would recommend fostering older children to everyone. I've loved every minute of it. I've learned that there's no such thing as typical fostering. There are so many children in different situations with different needs. I fostered siblings, teenagers, children with complex needs, and babies. At the moment, I have Jenny living with me. She's been with me just over a year. She's 17. She previously lived with a nan for 10 years who sadly passed away. It was a very traumatic time for Jen, and then she moved in with me. We've developed a lovely bond. I'm helping her with the dream to become a doctor. She's studying to get into college and is learning to drive. She said she's really happy living with me and that she wouldn't want to be anywhere else. I also have brothers Ben and Alex. They are matched with me for the long term. They first came to me when they were just 2 and 4 years old. They were so frightened and unsettled. Everything that we take for granted, like bedtime, bath time, even tea time, was a struggle at first. But they are different boys now, so full of fun and energy. They love their swimming lessons and football club. They're constantly surprising me and doing new things every day. I absolutely love fostering. I can't see myself doing anything else really. I came into fostering with my eyes wide open, and it's everything I expected it to be and more. It's rewarding in so many ways, and that's hard to beat.